how to fix fast boot problem in your Motorola smartphone. So if you are having this problem, fast booted and screen is not working, buttons are not working, how you can fix? So friends, here it is the buttons for up and down and power button for OK button. So don't panic here if it is not working or any issues you are having. So you have to just, so there are many options. You can see enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, power off. You have to click on reboot system now, press on this power button, and now your phone is restarting. You have to just wait until it's open and it will fix your fast booted problem. So let's wait until it's open. And if you are having any query, any doubt, you can free to go in the comment section and you can ask me out what to use, how to fix any problem. So you can see it is perfectly fine and now it is working. You can see there is no fast boot showing and all apps are working right now. You can see. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.